How to edit htAccess file through cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Now go to Files section and click on the File Manager. There is a list of file directories which contain htAccess file. Hypertext access or htAccess file is a hidden file. First go to Settings and check Show All Hidden Files, then click on the Save button. Now click on Directory Name Public HTML to open it in the adjoining window. Right-click on the htAccess file, then click on the Edit option. If you want to change encoding, you can change it now, otherwise click on the Edit button. Let's make some changes to the PHP version. Now click on the Save Changes button to save it. That's it, we have successfully made changes in the htAccess file. Thank you for watching.